What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to another self haircut video. Your boy is looking super crusty for this before, but I'm about to make a world of a difference and change the look. So to get this self haircut started, I'm going to be parting my hair on both sides by my part line using duck clips and really just making sure that I'm separating the hair from the top to the sides and the back to make things as straight as possible. So to get things started, I'm using my $35 WAHL Extreme Grip Pro clippers. These are the ones that I got from Walmart. These things are powerful. Just straight off the bat, they're powerful, and I really like using them for some reason. Even though they're corded, I really like using them. Definitely recommend them if your budget's under $40 for a pair of clippers. But the first guideline, keeping it simple, using the no guard with the lever closed, and then pretty much going up to around my temple. And then for the second guideline, I'm going to be using that lever open with the no guard and going up about ½ an inch. So before we move on to the next guard, I wanted to stop and fade this hard line first. And so what I'm going to be doing is closing my lever to the halfway position and really just softening up that bottom hard line. So now that I've just went through and softened up the hard line with the lever halfway open, I'm closing the lever completely and I'm pretty much going to flick out that bottom hard line, starting from below the hard line and then flicking up and away. So now that I've got the first hard line completely faded, I'm moving on to the next step, which is grabbing my number 1 guard and opening the lever. And then I'm going to be going up about 1 full inch on the sides and back of my head.
Not go gentle into that good night.
So after you're going in with the number 1 guard lever open, I'm going to be changing to the half guard with the lever open, and then I'm going to be closing the lever afterwards. So pretty much I'm using the half guard lever open just to soften up that hard line, and then afterwards I'm going to go in and attack that hard line with the lever closed and really fade it out. Moving on to the final guideline, I'm going to be using the number 2 guard with the lever completely open. And right here, I'm pretty much just going to be going up at a 90-degree angle and trying to do my best not to dig directly into my part line because I want to keep that squared shape on the side of my head. So try your best to go at a 90-degree angle. I know it can be a little bit tough, especially when you get towards the back of the head, but going up 90 degrees is going to give yourself that squared off look, and it's really going to look a lot more appealing. So just like with the previous fading step, I'm going to be using the 1.5 guard with the lever completely open, going in, softening up that middle area, and then afterwards I'm going to attack that hard line with the lever closed and really make this fade come together. So now we are completely finished with the fade. We can take off the duck clips, straighten out our hair, and then get things ready because I'm about to transform my beard and my facial grooming to the T. And if you guys want to learn in a little bit more detail how exactly I trim my beard, I made a separate video of that some time ago. So if you want to check that out, it's on my channel for you guys. The next thing I'm going to be doing is fixing up my mustache, pretty much going from the top to the bottom, making sure that there's no super long hairs that, flip upside down and, go into my nose. That's an annoying thing that I face sometimes when your hairs get too long. They do that and it's really annoying. So I'm always trying to maintenance my mustache at least once a week. Then I move on to the eyebrows. I'm not trying to look like a supermodel over here. Just want to keep things trimmed to look, fresh, stay clean, trimming up the eyebrows. And then lastly, I'm going to be putting on a headband to fix up the hairline, pretty much just taking away any of those loose, smaller baby hairs and pretty much edging things out, giving it that nice squared look. You guys, I was in desperate need of a self haircut. I looked like a whole caveman. I looked lost. I looked like I wasn't even in this, century. I don't know what was going on. But here's the after. I'm looking so much more fresh after this self haircut. Guys, if you're looking like me in the before, I think it's time for you to give yourself a nice self haircut. But this is the final look, the high fade self haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me or you like this video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, what you think. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!